Hi, this is Brett from the Keyboard Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at the three parts to playing most popular songs on the keyboard. Now the first part is played in the left hand and is the bass, and usually this is just one note doubled up with another note an octave lower. So you tend to play them together and they sound something like this: descending bass. Now the second part, played with the right hand, is called the fill, and this is where the bulk of the song resides. You can begin to guess what the song is by just playing the fill. The third part is the melody or the tune to a song, and again played with the right hand goes something like this. So how do you play three parts with two hands? Well, you mix the fill with the tune. You play the tune and the fill together, and the tune is usually played on the top two fingers of the right hand, something like this. You tend to play the melody slightly louder than the fill, just so that you can hear it. So let's hear all three parts together and see what they sound like. With all three parts playing, you can hear how nice and warm the tune sounds. But you don't have to play all three together. Say for instance you had a singer with you, and then you could dispense with the tune because you don't want to play the tune and have the singer singing the same notes. So you would just play the bass and the fill together. Let's look at an example of another popular tune and just see how that's made up. First of all, the bass in the left hand. And now the fill in the right hand. Now played together they would sound like this. And the melody is something like this. And putting it all together might sound something like this. Now some songs sound quite sparse without the melody. Take Beverly Craven's Promise Me for instance. It's just chords and bass. There's nothing there to fill out the song unless you play the tune. So there it is, the three parts to playing most popular songs: bass, fill and tune.